Hi, my name is Terry, and I am in Woodland Hills, California. The reason that I decided to go with the solar is because of the high rise of electricity cost per month. And I have a large house, so I decided to go ahead and save some money on the electrical usage. Green home system was suggested to me by lots of friends. They were very happy with their services. After reviewing several other companies around, I decided to go with them for the price and service. Installation went in very smooth, fast. They explained to me stage by stage, ahead of time, and very polite. And most important, they were pleasant to work with. My solar system is 10 kilowatt system that charges all my electrical needs at the house, plus 3 electrical cars. I want that part of like opening the envelope when I get my DWP and see the, to see my bill. So I feel like a winner. I will recommend that company to whoever is out there, friends, family, you guys that doesn't know me.